Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are vlogging, we are in the car, my mum is here, we have Amaar in the back.
It's me again.
We are going university shopping today. Oh, they're sliding.
What's up, little gang? We back.
Oh my gosh. We're also recording on the phone today, hence the difference in quality and probably sound. So apologies for that. But
I have the camera in my hand, so.
Amaar has the camera. So he's going to be in charge of that today, but I did not feel comfortable vlogging with the big Canon camera in my hand. Oh, I didn't bring the tripod, the Gorilla Pod thing.
You have a Gorilla Pod and you didn't tell me?
Yeah, I forgot.
I was talking to you about tripods yesterday.
Whoops. Anywho, so yeah, we're on our way. We're going to go to B&M, the range, and save the best for last. Going to go to Ikea. Yeah, so I shall see you guys.
We're going to spend money I really don't want to spend.
We're going to spend some money. See you when we get there. Hey guys, so we are in the range. You want to be on the camera or no? We are in the range. We look the same. Oh my god.
I've been here before.
We just got here. Ooh. Oh, that one's broken. That's not good. Well, they're big mugs. Ikea's mugs are little and have stupid little handles.
Do I need 4 mugs though?
What if you have friends around?
Who told you I have friends?
You will have friends if you don't have friends now. And you don't wanna get like black or white, because if somebody steals your mug, then you know.
If someone steals my mug, they're getting fist up.
So
but that's irrelevant.
Okay. So we've been in here for all of maybe 10 minutes, and so far we have picked up some mugs, some of them like tea and coffee stuff, and some coasters. So we are now realizing that maybe Ikea would have been better to go to first, but we're here and we move.
Oh, cringe right now. She wants to buy this. No, stop that. People are being cringe again. I don't like this. Look at these two. Look at these two. No, that's cringe. That is cringe. You can't see my face, but it's just a face of disappointment right now. This is so cringe.
You're cringe. Okay,
you just bought friends and family. What?
She doesn't have one.
What, the cringe are? Yeah, nah. Shut that one off earlier. You get finger balls when you eat lobster.
I think.
Can you like take out the other stand for me? Any choices?
Pardon?
Do we need containers?
I think I'm gonna get glass ones instead, because you know, plastic, microwave, not great.
Wait. Put plastic in the microwave.
Huh?
Those are probably microwave.
You can, but it's not good for you.
Ah, it's alright. We're gonna die at supper now. Oh, I can buy a rice cooker. Whee!
Is that a mini air fryer? What's this?
Ooh.
It's a mini air fryer.
I can buy a coffee maker.
It's a mini air fryer. I need this.
This might be useful to me. What's an egg maker? I don't know what that is. Ooh, cut that. Ooh. I don't know what this is, but it's something. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that is the egg maker for dumbasses. Sick. Can't figure out what the hell this is, but there's a lot of useless machinery around here. I can make a tank.
Mini air fryer.
Yep, that's justified purchase. I do need to buy a food processor
I
or a
don't know if I'm allowed
blender.
to buy this one now. Let's see. Well, I can't see a box and I want it, so.
What have you picked up?
Sorry, is it a foot? No. What am I stuck on?
Oh, I need to buy a lamp.
See?
That's not what I'm talking about.
Like a desk lamp, right?
Yeah.
Ikea. So he's go Ikea. Okay.
Don't worry, we'll
Can we
go.
look at the bathroom stuff and then go? Yeah.
Yeah. Look, Ice is gonna buy a kettle because she basically just wants her own studio.
No.
She's got an ensuite.
Let me explain.
All right, explain.
Why I want a kettle.
Go on.
I want a kettle because I want to have like, you know, when you go to a hotel and
Yeah.
there's like a little hot drink making section in the room. That's what I want in my room.
Yep.
It makes sense.
Yep.
It makes sense.
Yep.
Stop saying yep like I'm crazy. I'm
Yep.
not crazy.
Cock. I hear what she's saying, but also there's a kettle inside her.
Yeah, but I don't want to share that kettle.
Oh look, you get a bin. You can put ices in it. Look how cute this is. You get a little soap dispenser. Oi, oi. Don't know what this is. What is this? It's a mug. You drink a tea of it.
You put your toothbrushes and stuff in it.
How many toothbrushes do you have?
Do you like this? Or should I get those for you? Because they're all set. It's $6.99.
This is $10.99 now. So I want to do swaggy swag.
I like these three. Yeah.
That could be the thumbnail.
$3.99. There you go.
No, but this is not very swaggy. You know what I mean?
It's for a toilet. Who's looking at swaggy toilets?
Ooh, I love me some stainless steel. Pointless.
Yes.
I like this. This is nice. However, this costs £13, so this is not that nice. When a girl comes over, Lindsay, they'll be like, oh look, he's got a nice toilet brush. He's got a nice toilet brush. I'm going to stay with him a bit longer. Look, we have more mugs to drink out of. Let's go.
It's not a mug.
No, but this will make a pretty cool mug, don't you think?
It's not a mug.
No, but it would look cool as a mug.
You have a point, but it's not a mug.
I might buy one just as a mug.
That's not what they're for.
And, did I ask? Oh, no, that's cringe.
Why is it cringe?
I don't know, I just felt like calling you cringe.
When you're in the shower.
All towels, that's really useful actually.
You got your shampoo, your conditioner, your soap, everything you need right here.
Do you know how many shampoos and conditioners we own?
That's so true. Are you gonna make your chest go to your unit?
Yeah, are you insane?
Oh my gosh. I don't know
What?
where I'm gonna put it.
I don't know either. We need towels though. Like more
I'm gonna
than...
get them from Primark.
You want an
Oh,
extra deep mattress?
protector.
Extra deep though.
I need one of these.
Extra deep mattress protector.
I'm not speaking that single word about a mattress protector. You think the only difference between me and that mattress is gonna be one sheet? No.
I think that's a good idea.
It's $5.99. Yeah.
Yeah, get me, chuck one in for me as well.
So we have had enough of the range. We stayed here kind of longer than we thought. Got a few bits. I can't flip this camera. A few bits. Yeah. We're gonna go to Ikea now. No, we don't need a little
Teapot,
teapot at all. Not necessary at all. But yeah, we're gonna make our way to, let's pay, get out of here, make our way to Ikea.
Here we find a wild Isis in her natural habitat.
That's cute. I like that.
Are you finished? So guys, we're now in Ikea. Chilling.
I like it. It's pure aesthetics. Black, white. I like this a lot. I like this maroon.
It seemed like it's very boy-y in here.
Yeah, it is.
Just because it's not like over the top. I like minimalism.
Minimalism. Minimalism.
Yeah.
You love a rose gold.
Everyday rose gold.
Every day, rose
Even
gold.
pepper. Even pepper thingy.
Okay.
Rose gold.
Let's go. Let's go. Ah. I feel like I should be recording the other way. This your
I
kitchen?
did a Mandem pose where they had the same graphic tee.
Stop it.
Same shoes.
Stop it.
Same white Air Forces.
Stop it. I do like this one.
It's an induction hob. You know how nice induction hobs are? They boil water the fastest. Fun fact. They have perfectly even heating as well, so you have no hot spots on your pan. So like you see when you cook something on your pan, there's like one part that's really hot and the other part's really cold. You ain't got that on an induction hob, baby. The induction hob.
He's in his zone.
He absolutely in his own.
I love this. So guys, we are in Ikea. I am filming with a giant ass camera, so I look like an absolute twat, but we're here. Yeah, we're walking about. I don't know actually where we are right now. Isis wants water, as she's stated about 6 times now. We're in a restaurant. We're not meant to be in the restaurant.
No.
We are in the wrong place.
Yeah.
We are directionally challenged is what we are. Let's go. But yeah, I'm filming for this one. This is Amaar on the decks, or on the camera if you would. And we're off.
We used to have them.
Which ones?
You've broken those glasses?
They're all mixed.
How? I've had those glasses for like 8 years. They're still not broken.
Do you not need a laundry basket?
I just use an Ikea bag.
Okay. I don't need an iron. Oh, it's miniature.
You don't need an ironing board. Keep walking.
But I have an iron.
I don't care actually.
But I have an iron.
I didn't actually ask. That was not a question. You guys want to eat? What are you called? You're called Lampard. No, it's not.
Your mask? What is the matter with you? Oh, thanks. I can't carry that as well. I am very much over this experience. I'm tired.
I'm okay so far.
I'm dehydrated.
She's just dehydrated.
I need some water. I am most definitely gonna have to get one of them hot dogs before I leave. No,
Hi guys.
come on this side.
No, but Isis, I'm looking for something.
Oh, I love this. This is so cool. Look. Why is nobody excited about this?
What's up? It's me, Amaar. Coming again
This
to
one?
you. I like Scott. I like that one there.
Which one?
That one there.
That one's. I don't. How much is that?
I don't know.
Okay, so Isis, with knives, you only need 3 knives in your life. Big boy knife,
Big boy knife.
a little boy knife, and a bread knife. That's
Yeah.
it. You don't need any other knives. Every other knife is pointless.
You bought me the knife sharpener, so I don't think I'm even going to bother.
She likes the way that I dance. Is
Okay.
there not a set? She likes the way that I move.
Isis, where are you
She
going?
likes the way that I rock. She likes the way that I move. Scissors?
not
Oh,
those.
sorry. Is that a knife set? Can we get the set?
No,
I
it's
just,
bullshit.
why can we not get the set?
You don't need a set, bitch.
You said I need 3 knives.
Yeah, the set doesn't have to fit in.
Big boy knife, little boy knife, bread knife.
Yeah, we're the shit.
Wow. Up here. Wow.
Someone come and collect their daughter, please. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, I am going to end this here. It's been fun. Kind of.
Kind of.
Kind
I'm
of.
enjoying myself. Isis
Amar's
is
having a
tired.
great time.
Isis needs water.
I just need some water. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna end this here. Like,
See you
comment,
guys at the other
subscribe.
side.
Maybe we should do a haul. We'll do a haul.
We'll do.
Not today though.
Not today.
Not today. Not today. But we'll do a haul.
We'll do it. You'll see the haul.
You'll
It'll
see
come
the haul.
after this clip.
The haul will
if you
come
want
out.
to know.
So yeah, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, turn your post
Share
notifications
to all
on.
your 2 friends you have.
And yeah, I shall see you in the next one.